Friends, this is Sir Gaudhiman. Welcomes you all in our Path Maths Online classes. We are doing the chapter Statistics, which is your chapter 15 from your NCERT book. So in the last video, we have discussed the complete basic concepts related to the topic dispersion of the given data. So we will start with the question number 1 from your exercise 15.1 in this video. So first question we are going to do, in which we need to find a mean deviation about mean. And let me first of all write down the formulas for how can you find a mean deviation about mean. This is the first case for ungrouped data. This is given by ungroup के लिए this is given by mean deviation about mean is equal to summation of xi minus x bar modulus is also there divided by n, where n denotes the number of, where x bar is your mean, xi are the observations, and n is your number of observations. For the second case, when this is your group data is given to you and this is your mean deviation is given by formula summation of fi xi minus x bar upon summation of fi, or simply this can be written as capital N. So this is your the formula to find a mean deviation about mean in case group data, where fi is known as frequencies and all other terms are well known to all of you. Now second case, if this is mean deviation about median, we want to find, if you want to find a mean deviation about median, then for ungrouped data this is given by mean deviation, this is obtained by same summation of xi minus median modulus divided by n, where n is your known as median, xi is observations we have, and the number of observations. Now for the second case, if this is your grouped data is there, and this is mean deviation is given by summation of fi xi minus n divided by capital N. Same formula is there for the both the cases, but in case अगर mean deviation about mean निकालना है तो आपको पहले mean निकालना होगा, और mean को सभी observation से subtract करके with taking the positive sign you have to add all the terms divided by number of terms. और अगर mean deviation about median निकालना है बच्चों, पहले median निकालना होगा, median निकाल के फिर सभी observation से उस median को आप subtract करेंगे और summation लेने के बाद number of observation से divide करने से you will get your answer. Now let me start the exercise 15.1. Let me do the question number 1, in which we need to find the mean deviation about mean. So how can we find? Let us see. The formula we need to use the same. Let me write down the formula. Same formula मैं रहने देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. Observations are, question number 1 is there. Observation are 4, 7. This is 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. This is 8, 9, 10, and then 12, 13. 12, 13 and 17. These are the observations. And we need to find the mean deviation of this data about mean. तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होता है बच्चों, मीन निकालना होगा, क्योंकि फॉर्मूला हमारे पास ये है, उस फॉर्मूले के अंदर मुझे रिक्वायरमेंट है सबसे पहले मीन की. सो मीन इज गिवन बाय सम ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by number of observations. Number of observations कितनी है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is your 8. Be given by, this is your 4 plus 7 is your 11. 11 8 19. 19 or 9. This is 28. 38. 38 and 12 is 50. 50 and this is your 63. 63 17 80. 80 upon 8 is your 10. So mean is your 10. Now we need to find the xi minus x bar with modulus. So summation of xi minus x bar modulus is given by, xi stands for all the observations we have, means x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7 and x8. We have a total 8 observations. So सभी को one by one denote करने के लिए we have always denoting this xi. So xi को तो पहली term 4 minus 10 with modulus plus next is 7 minus 10 with modulus plus 8 minus 8. Oh sorry, this is 10. 8 minus 10 modulus plus 9 minus 10 modulus plus 10 minus 10 the modulus 12 minus 10 modulus. Okay, okay लिख सकते हैं आगे plus 13 minus 10 modulus plus 17 minus 10 and the modulus and divided by this is divided by 8 if we are going to find the mean deviation directly. So this is your now given as this is 6 because 4 minus 6 minus 6 is there लेकिन minus 6 का मॉडुलस देंगे बच्चों तो plus 6 रहेगा. This is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 divided by this is now 8 and this is your 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 is your 17, 17 plus 7 is 24, 24 by 8 is your 3. So the mean deviation about mean is your 3. So this is the solution of the question number 1. So my dear students, same you can do the question number 2 by yourself. The same case is there in which we need to find a mean deviation about mean for the given data. Now let me find the mean deviation about median for the question number 3. So let me do the question number 3 here, in which we are given the data in which we want to find the mean deviation about median. और mean deviation about median के formula same है बच्चों. mean deviation about median is also has the same formula xi minus m modulus with summation divided by n. So कोई भी ऑब्जर्वेशन आपको गिवन है उसके लिए पहले आपको मीडियन निकालना होगा and this is given as 13. question number 3 is there and is 13, 17, next is your 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 11, 13, 10 and then 16, 11, 18, 12 and 17. This is given to you. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 terms are there. So अगर मीडियन निकालना चाहते हैं बच्चों सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होता है, हमें पहले डेटा को अरेंज करना होगा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. So let me write down first of all 10 and then 11, 11, 11, 11, then 12, after that 13, this is 13, again 13 and then 14. 14 is there. After that we have 16. This is 2 times 16, 16, 17 and 17. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more term is there which is your 18 at last. So these are the observations. Value of xi is there. These are the value of xi. Let me write down also in ascending order. Now we know very well the total number of terms are even. आपकी टर्म कितनी है? even है. So मीडियन निकालेंगे कि मैंने बताया था बच्चों कि we have to calculate how many terms are there. अगर number of terms even है then this median this is given by median is given by n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th and divided by 2 also there. So median will be of n by 2 12 by 2 यानी कि 6th term होगी और प्लस 7th टर्म एंड दिस इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 6th टर्म कौन सी होगी देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is 13 plus 7 is 14 divided by 2. This is 27 by 2 and this is your 13 by 5. So the median value of m is your 13.5. M is your 13.5. So we will find now xi minus m का modulus. पहले तो सिंपल निकाल लेते हैं. दिस इज नाउ xi माइनस मीडियन की वैल्यू कितनी है 13.5. सो दिस इज वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट एज 13.5 डायरेक्टली. So now 10 minus 13.5 is your minus 3.5. This is minus 2.5 minus 2.5. This is minus 1.5. This is your minus 0.5 minus 0.5. This is 0.5. This is your how much? 2.5. This is 2 minus 2 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 3.5 and this is minus 4.5. and if you are taking the modulus xi minus 13.5 का modulus लेंगे, this is 3.5 2.5 2.5 1.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 2.5 2.5 3.5 3.5 and this is 4.5. Now क्योंकि हमें इसका summation लेना है, तो sum of all the terms will be given by, I think this is 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60. This is 0 6 9 11 13 14 16 18 21 21 or 7 28. So answer is your 28. So this is the summation of all these terms is given by, so median is given by mean deviation is given by, this is your 28. these सभी numbers are the sum आया, this is 28 divided by number of terms are 12, so this is your 2.33 and so on. So this is the mean deviation about your median in case when the ungrouped data is given to you. So dear friends, let me do one question which is your from group also. Let me do question number 5 and then I will do the question number 7 also. Let's see the question number 5. In which we need to find a mean deviation about mean. So first is your xi is given to you as your 5 10 15 10 15 20 25 and the value of fi is given to you as your 7 4 6 3 5. This is fi. Because we want to find the mean deviation about mean, तो उसके लिए बच्चों पहले हमें mean निकालना होता है. फॉर्मूला में लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पर. This is your mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean is given by formula summation of fi. Sorry, this is your summation of fi of xi minus mean divided by number of observations, where x bar is given by summation of fi xi upon capital N. Capital N denotes the summation of fi. So first of all, let me find the value of fi xi. This is given by 35 40 90 60 125. Just do the sum of all the terms. 5 5 10 4 4 8 and 9. This is 17 and 6 is your 23 and 2 is your 25. This is 350 and 7 4 11 and 6 17 7 20 25. So this is the value of capital N 25. This is summation of fi xi. So mean will be your x bar will be given by 350 divided by, this is 25 which is your 14. So value of x bar is 14. Now we need to find the value of xi minus x bar. Modulus also is there. So क्योंकि xy की वैल्यू 14 आई है, तो 5 minus 14 will be 9. यहाँ पर मैं डायरेक्टली 14 लिख सकते हैं. This is 5 minus 14 is your 9. Modulus is there, so minus 9 will be converted into plus 9. This is 4. This is your 1. This is 6 and this is your 11. Now need to multiply fi of xi minus 14 modulus. अब fi और इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. This is 63. This is 16. This is 6. This is 18 and this is 55 और सबको ऐड करते हैं तो देखिए 8 5 13 13 6 19 19 6 25 25 और 3 is your 28 8 9 10 and 155 458. So mean deviation is given by summation of all this term. This is 158 divided by summation of I is your 25. This is your 6 point. This is something I think 3. This is 6.3. So the answer mean deviation about in this case is your 6.3. So in this way you can do the question number 6 as well by yourself. Let me do the question number 7 in which mean deviation about median we need to find. So we are going to do the question number 7 now, in which we need to find the mean deviation about your median. Xi, value of xi is given to you as your 5, 7, then 9, 10, 12 and 15. The value of fi is given to you as your 8, 6, 8, 6. This is 2, 2, 2, and the last one is your 6. बच्चों क्योंकि मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन हमें निकालना है, मीन डेविएशन ऑफ मीडियन के लिए फॉर्मूला लेट मी राइट डाउन अबाउट मीडियन is given by formula. This is summation of fi of xi minus median divided by summation of fi or equal to n की बात है, where median can be obtained through your group formula. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, पहले CF निकालते हैं, क्योंकि हमें मीडियन निकालना है. सबसे पहले हमें काम क्या है, मीडियन निकालना होता है. मीडियन निकालने के लिए लेट मी फाइंड CF which is given by 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, this is 20 and this is 26. So the value of n is your 26. हमें क्या करना होता है बच्चों, फिर इसके बाद n by 2 निकालना होता है. This is 26 by 2 which is your 13. Now 13 lies your here as your in between of 8 and 14. So in front of this value the median is your 7. So the median is your 7. Okay, now I got the value of median m at 7. So need to find the value of xi minus median. Median कौन है, 7 है with modulus. I am getting all the value in modulus function. So this is 5 minus 7. This is 2. क्योंकि modulus ले रहे हैं तो plus 2 होगा. This is 0. This is 2. This is 3. This is 5. This is your 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then we will find fi multiplied by xi minus 7. So this is your fi, this is your xi minus 7, this is 16 and 0, this is 4, this is 6, this is 10 and this is your 48. Now sum all the terms given as 6, 6, 12, 12, oh sorry, 6, 4, 10, 10 and 6, 16, 16 and 8 is 24. This is 2, 3, 4 and 4 is 8. So the mean deviation is given by 84 divided by 26. And this will be all. I think you will find the value of 84.26 will be your given by, the answer is your, you should have to just divide 84 by 26. My students, in all the cases you can find the same process in which you will find the median. First of all you need to find the median and then we will find your mean deviation about mean. This is 3.23. अगर आप डिवाइड करते हैं this is 3.23 and the answer will be 3.23. So this is your all about the concept in which we find mean deviation about median and mean. And the same question you can do by yourself 9, 10, 11, 12. If you can do, if you want to do, then you can try by yourself. अगर फिर भी प्रॉब्लम आती है बच्चों तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर आई कैन इलस्ट्रेट ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस. एंड जो आपके 9, 10, 11, 12 क्वेश्चंस हैं इनके अंदर आपको ग्रुप के अंदर आपको गिवन है डाटा और इनके अंदर मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन निकालना है तो पहले मीन निकालना होगा, उसके बाद मीन निकालना, उसके बाद फिर मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीडियन और मीन निकालना है. So till then, try by yourself. If you face some problem, then call me or can give me your WhatsApp. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.